Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. Today I'm going to show you something a little bit different, a Souvlaki styled butterflied chicken. Very, very easy to do and very, very tasty. Let's get on with it. First thing I have is a full whole chicken, nice fresh chicken. I've got a pair of poultry shears. I'm going to cut the parson's nose off, toss that aside. I'm going to cut the bird straight down the backbone, just like I'm doing right there. Very simple and very safe to do using scissors as opposed to a knife. Okay, so just cut that straight through like that. Break the bird open like I'm doing right there, and we're going to give that a bit of heart massage and make it nice and flat. I'm going to use the zest of 1 lemon. Just use a little microplane or a little grater like I'm using right here. We want the zest and not the pith. The pith will make it actually quite bitter. Squeeze out a little bit of garlic paste, around about 2, maybe 3 teaspoons worth. I'll leave that quantity up to you. A good quantity of dried oregano, a good handful is what I would say, and I've got pretty large hands. Freshly ground black pepper, probably about 2 teaspoons worth. Right, and we're going to cut the rest of that lemon in half, put that juice straight into all of that little mixture that we're starting to create. A little bit of olive oil, a good glug's worth, around about 4, maybe 5 tablespoons. Give that a bit of a stir through, bit of a mix, and that is going to be our base marinade. Okay, we're going to add a little bit of salt straight over the skin of our chicken. That's going to help make things go nice and crispy when we cook it. Put that bird straight into our marinade, skin side down, like that, and we want some flavor on the inside of the chicken. So simply, once again, a little bit more freshly ground black pepper, like that, a little bit more salt, just like I'm doing right there. Again, lemon juice. Don't have to go 2 bananas on the lemon juice on the inside. Just want a bit of flavor. A little bit more dried oregano, and I'm going to let that sit for around about an hour and a half. Right, my oven is sitting in 180 degrees Celsius. We're going to flip the bird over just like that, and we're simply going to roast this off for around about 1.5 hours, and this is a 2 kilo chicken, or a little bit over 2 kilos. Hour and a half later, look at this. Out comes this amazing roast chicken, cooked to absolute perfection and juiciness, and the flavor is incredible. And if you haven't had a Souvlaki style chicken like this before, you don't know what you're missing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. It should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. More importantly, you want to know a little bit different methods for cooking different foods, different cultures, just like I've done here. You need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Alright, I'm going to off to cut up this Souvlaki butterflied chicken, and I will catch you next time. Bye!